Hello there, welcome to photoshopstreet.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the color of an object. So first of all, we have to make a copy of our layer. For that, press Ctrl J for make a copy of our current layer. After that, I'm going to image in the menu bar and adjustments and hue saturation. Ctrl plus U is the shortcut key for that. So click on that. After that, you will see this window. In here we can select the color of our object which should be changed. So click this hand icon. Okay, I'm gonna click this. Okay, now you will have a eyedropper tool like this. Now you can click the color that you want to change. Now I'm going to select this color, the blue color, just like this. Just one click for select the color. After that, you can go to the window of hue saturation and go to the hue and change the slider to change the color. Okay, I'm gonna adjust this. Here you can see the color changing amazingly. Yeah, it's wonderful. Green is suitable for my car, so you can adjust this as you wish. After that, if there is any other blue color or similar like that, we can add that color with this add to sample tool. I'm gonna add just like this. So the car is changed. We can see the preview of this. Now you can see the preview here. And then you can press OK button. Now you can change colors like this. I'm going to show you another example for that. This is my second image. This is the first image. This is the second image. And I should mention Mike from pixels.com for giving this image for free, and this image from pixels.com also by Italo Melo. So thank you both for giving these nice photographs for us. In this image, I also make a copy of this layer. Ctrl J and Ctrl U for hue saturation window, and I'm going to select the color with this tool. Click on that and click on the color you want. Then go to the hue and change the color like this. Just simple. See the preview like this. It's amazing. You can change any color of an object like this. Just practice this. I'm going to click OK. Here is the before and after images. So that's all. If you like this video, press like button. See you again with another Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching.